Hello everyone, this is meteorologist Ryan Willis, and this is your weekly weather briefing for Thursday, March 9th, 2023. Alright, so we'll notice some pretty big changes over the next several days. The first of which will be the temperatures. We'll be experiencing much cooler temperatures over the week ahead as compared to the really abnormally warm temperatures we've had for the last several weeks. Temperatures will largely be below normal to near normal each day over the next week, and even some freezing temperatures are likely to return, at least for parts of the area, initially by Saturday morning, but especially by the middle of next week when colder air will settle into the area. In addition, we'll have a couple of rounds of rainfall expected. The first one from today into tomorrow, and then another wave of rainfall is expected beginning Saturday night and really through the day on Sunday. If we take a look at the satellite and radar loop across the area as of 11:30 this morning, you can see widespread clouds and a few showers across the state of Georgia, as well as a larger area of showers pushing across Alabama and towards Georgia. This area of rainfall will increase across our area from this afternoon and into this evening and persist into the overnight. So if we take a look at one model radar solution beginning this afternoon and persisting from tonight into tomorrow, you can see that scattered showers will be on the increase today through this evening and really more widespread from tonight and at least into the first part of tomorrow. A few thunderstorms are possible, but we're not expecting any significant severe thunderstorm threat, and rain will begin to end across North Georgia tomorrow morning and ending in Middle Georgia by tomorrow afternoon. For today, the cloudy conditions and increasing rain will keep temperatures on the cooler side, mainly slightly below to near normal for today's highs. Overnight lows tonight will range from the upper 40s into the mid 50s across the area. Just to reiterate, as far as today's rain chances and into tonight, you can see widespread rain will increase from the northwest through this afternoon and evening, with more coverage of showers and a few thunderstorms across the entire area overnight tonight. On Friday, rain will clear from north to south, beginning in the morning across North Georgia and ending across Middle Georgia during the afternoon. Highs will be around normal, mainly from the upper 50s in the mountains to the lower 70s in Middle Georgia, and clouds will be slow to clear, but will begin to clear from north to south by the latter part of tomorrow. Rainfall totals from today through the time when they'll be ending tomorrow will largely range from around a half an inch up to nearly an inch across portions of North Georgia, with locally higher totals over an inch possible in some areas. With these rainfall totals, we're really not expecting anything in the way of flooding concerns through tomorrow. As I mentioned earlier, colder temperatures some mornings this week will increase the potential for some frost or even freezing temperatures, with the first cold morning being Saturday morning. Some areas, especially in the mountains, could see some temperatures near or just below freezing, with some frost possible across other portions of North Georgia Saturday morning. Saturday will definitely be the better day of this coming weekend, with a brief return to sunnier skies and highs running generally near normal, mainly in the 60s across the area on Saturday. Things will quickly change beginning Saturday night as more widespread rain again begins to spread across the area. Sunday will bring cooler temperatures, especially across North Georgia, as a wedge of cooler air settles in, with warmer temperatures across Middle Georgia and widespread rain really overspreading the entire area through the day on Sunday. Even so, we're not expecting the potential for severe weather on Sunday, mainly just rainfall and a few embedded thunderstorms possible. Forecast rainfall totals with this system from Saturday night through Monday morning look to be a bit heavier than what we're expecting with this system tonight into tomorrow, with rainfall amounts really around an inch likely for much of the area, and some locally higher totals around an inch and a half possible. While this still isn't enough to cause significant flooding concerns, we could see some localized rises on creeks and streams during this time frame. So if we add up the rainfall totals with our two weather systems over the next 7 days, you can see totals reach from an inch and a half to around 2 inches across much of the area, with some locally higher totals over 2 inches possible, mainly in North Georgia. Significant flooding concerns aren't expected, but localized minor issues could be possible on creeks and streams, mainly on Sunday as we get additional heavier rainfall amounts. The coldest temperatures over the next week look to return by midweek, mainly Tuesday and Wednesday mornings of next week. This is when the potential for frost and freezing temperatures will be the highest. After recent record-breaking warmth that we've had, this could pose some problems for blooming plants with more widespread frost and even freeze potential by the time we get from Tuesday into Wednesday mornings. Taking a look at the bigger picture over the week ahead, you can see that cooler temperatures are expected, especially as compared to the very abnormally warm temperatures we had over much of the month of February into the beginning of this month. Also, a couple of rounds of rainfall are expected first from today into tomorrow and again on Sunday, with the potential for frost and freezing temperatures highest by the time we get into midweek of next week. Okay, so again, the abnormally warm temperatures we've seen over the past several weeks have come to an end for now, with temperatures largely near to even below normal over the week ahead. Again, freezing temperatures are more likely to return for parts of the area initially Saturday morning across portions of North Georgia, and really by the middle of next week, mainly Tuesday and Wednesday mornings. As far as rainfall is concerned, we're looking at 2 rounds of rainfall, the first from today into tomorrow, and another round on Sunday. Thanks for joining us for this week's weekly briefing. Here are a number of ways you can get in touch with us if you need to, and hope everybody has a great week.